Hi everyone, I'm Pawan. I'm going to explain about the use case diagram for e-voting system. Let's see the introduction about e-voting system. It plays a major and important role in modern life. Let's see the purpose of e-voting system, where people vote their candidate through e-voting system, and their significant in model election lies in increased accessibility, faster result, transparency, and reduced cost, and robust security and privacy safeguard. Let's see the system overviews and its components and main actor. E-voting system is a digital platform for election. Let's see the component of the e-voting system. Voting interface, election management system, voter database, and the encryption and secure features. And the main actor in e-voting system are voter, election commissioner, system admin, candidate, observer, and security personality. Let's see what is use case diagram. The unified modeling language use case diagram is used for the interaction within the system where actor will interact with the system. Scenario in which your system or application interact with people or organization or external system. The goal that your system or application helps those entity achieve. Let's see the symbol and notation of use case diagram. Actor. Actor. It will interact with the system, and the example for the actor or human user or other system. And use case, a set of scenario describing an interaction between the user and the system. The use case name should be start with verb. Let's see the system boundary. It is a boundary between the actor and the system. Let's see the association relation. In the relation there are association and generalization. Association is communication between the actor and the use case, and generalization is a relationship between the two use cases where one use cases behave as parent and another use case behave as child. The child will inherit the property of the parent use case. Let's see the actor role. Voter. The voter's role in e-voting system is to cast their vote electronically. They interact with the system to authenticate the identity security and access the ballot and make their selection and submit their vote. The election officials are the responsible for the managing the electronic process. They register voter, candidate, and oversee the system security. They interact with the voter to verify identity and ensure the system integrity and oversee the entire election, and from preparation to the result declaration. They will maintain the overall performance for the election. Let's see the use case name for the e-voting system. Voters, login, registration, verification, fingerprint, change password, and check vote status and maintenance. Vote represents the process of voter cast their ballot electronically. Login, where the user will log in to the voting system. They will post the password and username or fingerprint. Registration, the user will be registration the voter ID card to fingerprint sensor, and the verifying your fingerprint represent the use case for verifying the voter identity using the biometric information or fingerprint. Change password. User can change the password and they can log into the system. Check vote status, where the voter can see the vote status of the vote. voted and also submitted voted. Maintenance. Describe the maintenance and management of e-voting system typically handled by the maintainer or the administration or technical personality. Let's see what is extending use cases. Extending use cases. The use cases is not mandatory but used in the uh, use case diagram. For example, let's take the change password and login use case where change password is optional for login. Login is a base class or change password is extending use cases. These use cases allow the user to change a password while in the process of logging in the e-voting system and enhancing the security. Let's see include use cases. The include use cases it mandatory to add these use cases, then only the base use case can be verified. Let's see the example of vote and cache token verification of fingerprint, where the vote is a base use case and verification fingerprint is a include use case, where voter will be use the biometric for the verification, then only he can vote to the candidate. This use case allows the user to cast a ballot electronically, incorporating the fingerprint verification for the identity authorization. Let's see the use case diagram for e-voting system. Voter is a main actor, where secondary actor are admin, fingerprint sensor, and technician. First, voter will be registration to the e-voting system with the help of fingerprint verification and voter ID verification, and then they log in. If they need, they can change the password with the help of the change password. The change password is not mandatory. If they wish, they can change the password, and then they cast the vote with the help of the fingerprint verification. Then only they can cast the vote, and then they can check the vote status if they are submitted or not submitted, and they can log out. That's all. Where the technician plays the maintenance role, you will see where the system is perfect or behavior of the system. Admin will maintain all the system from the beginning to the result of declaration of election, and fingerprint system is the other system where it perform the verification of a voter, and that's all. The rectangle box is a system boundary, and from the right side and left side of the system boundary are the actors. Let's see the conclusion of use case diagram for a e-voting system. They provide a visual roadmap and defining the user interaction and system functionality and secure consideration, ensuring the efficient and secure operation of the e-voting process. Thanks.